Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. Finally, the two new stealth model on Open Router, Hunter Alpha and Healer Alpha, the actual provider got revealed, and it is from the Xiaomi. They have released two new model. One is the MiMo V2 Pro, another one is this MiMo V2-Omni. Hunter Alpha is the MiMo V2 Pro and Healer Alpha is the MiMo V2-Omni. And this MiMo V2 Pro is the main flagship model. It has the agentic capability, and MiMo V2-Omni is the multimodal model. It has the video, text and image understanding capability, and currently both of these two models are free to use on Open Router. And here you see that for the next week until 25 you will get the free access. Okay, and if you go to their blog, there you will find the details about these two model, MiMo V2 Pro and MiMo V2 Omni. Previously also I have discussed that MiMo V2 Pro, which is the Hunter Alpha, you can use this model instead of Cloud Opus 4.6, because this model really have the agentic capability. And also the output, when I made the video regarding this Hunter Alpha, there I already shown you the output. Again I am showing you inside my project folder. Here you see that I have this Healer Alpha and also this Hunter Alpha. So if I go to this Hunter Alpha and if I open this HTML file, and here you see that this is the output. So if I scroll down below, you will find that this is the real advanced animatic website that I have made using this Hunter Alpha. And as this Hunter Alpha is the actual Xiaomi MiMo V2 Pro, so you can use this model instead of Cloud Opus 4.6 inside Cloud Code or inside OpenClaw as your choice. And also if you see the benchmark that they have released, it is actually very impressive. And another thing that I want to mention, if you go to this MiMo V2 Pro blog, the blog website, they are also mentioning these things, that on this coding capability in deep evaluation by Xiaomi's internal engineers, MiMo V2 Pro experience approaches Claude Opus 4.6. So that means this model MiMo V2 Pro have really the Claude Opus 4.6 type of capabilities, like demonstrating the advanced code intelligence, stronger system design and task planning, more elegant code style, and also more efficient problem solving paths. And during this Hunter Alpha test phase, the top apps by call volume were coding focused tools, and confirming MiMo V2 Pro's high usability and reliability in real development workflows. Not only that, here you see, if you compare the API pricing, the MiMo V2 Pro, it has the input cost 1 million, $1 for the 1 million input token and $3 for the 1 million output token. And also it has this cache read, whereas if you see Opus 4.6, it has this $5 and $25, which is really high in case of Opus. But if you use this V2 Pro, then you will get the same kind of capability like the Opus 4.6. And as I already told you that this model have the agentic capability, so they have also mentioned this agentic front-end development. And all of the model that I have reviewed till now, like yesterday I reviewed this Minimax M2.7, and there I already discussed that I am not happy with this model, because if you compare this Minimax M2.7 output and this Hunter Alpha, which is the MiMo V2 Pro output, there is a lot of difference. Means in one shot I have made this kind of beautiful animatic website with this Hunter Alpha or this Xiaomi MiMo V2 Pro, whereas from this Minimax M2.7 I did not get that kind of actual animation or that kind of advanced website. Okay, it was kind of normal. That's why you should go to that model where your time will not be wasted. Okay, and as the pricing is also very less for this model, so you should definitely go with this. And also another thing, if you go to their website, the official website Xiaomi MiMo, there they have written these things. Let me just show you. So free globally for the first week in partnership with multiple mainstream development tools. So from their official website also, if you use it, it is completely free. Now I will make another separate video where I will show you how you can use this model, this V2 Pro or this V2 Omni, with the OpenClaw, and also how you can get the base URL and that API key so that you can integrate it with the client or do code or kilocode extension. So this video, inside this video, I am just explaining the capabilities this model have. So this is the introduction they have written. Their flagship foundation model built for real-world agentic workloads. It is designed to serve as the brain of agent system, orchestrating complex workflows, driving the production engineering tasks, and delivering result reliably with MiMo V2 Pro. we expand the action space of frontier intelligence, generalizing from coding to claw. Now another thing is that previously they had this MiMo V2 Flash, and I was actually very happy with this model at that time also, and I actually thought that they will release another model in the upcoming days which will have the real world agentic capability, and now they have released this V2 Pro. Okay, and you see that all of this benchmark that they have released maybe on this software engineering verified. You see that from this Opus or from this Sonnet, this V2 Pro is have the 2% less accuracy. Okay, but I am giving the guarantee that if you use the Hunter Alpha model for your software engineering purpose, you will get expected result like the Opus 4.6 or Sonnet 4.6. Okay, you will be very happy with the output. It is my guarantee. Okay, because I have already tested it. Okay, and here you see that they are also telling it built for agents. The native brain for OpenClaw means the way OpenClaw actually works. They have made this model. Here you see MiMo V2 Pro is fine-tuned via SFT and RL across complex, diverse agent scaffolds with stronger tool call and multi-step reasoning capabilities. On the OpenClaw standard evaluation benchmarks, PinBench and ClawEval, MiMo V2 Pro achieves the globally leading results. With its 1 million token context window, it can comfortably support high intensity and real-world Claw application flows. So it has the 1 million token context window. It is really great. And now if I talk about this MiMo V2 Omni, so this is the MiMo V2 Omni. It is supporting this image, video, and audio, and also text. So to stay beyond text, the next generation of agents will operate across screen, software, and the physical world. They require an intelligence capable processing reality in all its richness, like images, video, audio, text in perfect concert. Now, the thing is that you will ask me that when we should use this. Omni model and when we should use this Pro model. So basically where you need the kind of complex task, there you can use this a V2 Pro model, but where you need the capability of image understanding, video understanding, and also text understanding or audio understanding, there you should use this Omni model. So after your understanding is done, if you want to perform any kind of agentic task on that, then switch to that V2 Pro. Okay, so basically if you are using this Cloud Code and there you know that they have the primary secondary models. So for the primary you can set it to the V2 Pro, and for the secondary instead of Sonnet you can set it to this Omni model, or you can do one thing, set Opus to this V2 Pro model, set Sonnet also to V2 Pro model, and set Haiku to this V2 Omni model. Okay, so in this way you will actually able to use all of these functionalities like Omni model multimodal capabilities and also the V2 Pro agentic capability. Okay, so also this model have the agentic capability, but as I told you, V2 Pro is the main flagship model which have the more capability than the Omni model. Okay, because if I show you Hunter Hiller model, Hiller Alpha, so you will understand. So if I show you Hiller Alpha output, here you see that this is also great. But if I scroll down below, here you see that this phase one. Okay, this phase one, this is the, and this is the second phase. Here you see this box. There is no overlapping animation. Okay, but in case of Hunter Alpha, if I show you, you will find some kind of overlapping advanced animation. So here you see kind of overlapping animation, right? So that's why I'm telling, if you need complex task, then go for this V2 Pro. Otherwise Omni you can use. Okay, yes, here you see on this video image, they have shared this benchmark. But you know that when you will test this model for your real world task and for your own task, then you will find some kind of difference benchmark than the benchmark they officially released. So you please test it in your task, and then you will understand the actual power of these two model. I have really tested this model on various tasks, and I am really happy with this model, guys. Means instead of Claude, Sonnet, or Opus, I can really use this. Okay, I am not promoting anything, but I am really happy with this. Here you see that crisis prediction becoming the visual code of autonomous driving, means for this video understanding purpose, you can use it. Agentic capability from anticipation to action. Okay, So you can read this two blog regarding this two model. I will give this link in description. Yes, so these are the things that I want to share with you, and you can use this model through Open Router, or otherwise they have their own platform where you will get their free official API key for the first 1 week. And in the next video, I will show you the setup, how you can use this with the OpenClaw and VS Code with client or code extension. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.